picture!
Tagan niya yan. Layo ko ah. Napalayo ah. Ano na?
Wow, smooth! Patay! Si Dede.
Ayun lang, natulog. Tira mga isang chicken. Si Maring Ria.
Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management. Second commencement speaker, Dr. Christina Liu Yuson.
We have 28 candidates for graduation. And Bachelor of Science in Electronics Engineering, we have 30 candidates for graduation. Their graduation has been approved by the Academic Council and was confirmed by the Board of Directors.
The honors, rights, and privileges, as well as the responsibilities, duties, and obligations appertaining thereto. My congratulations.
Please be seated. He would never know what it's like. He saw in time, he is free from the requirements of the school. The next hurdle in life is probably more challenging. But because you now have wings to fly, like Coco the butterfly, with the knowledge and skills you acquired, you can now navigate the future you want. Have trust, have faith, and good luck. Two, I am one who believes that there is a greater being than myself. It has become my habit to pray daily. Coupled with trust, faith, prayers have seen me through. You will be tested, especially in your lowest moments in life. Mine was when I lost my husband and had my 4 growing children. It was a time of shock as he had a heart attack. That was 35 years ago. Looking back, I knew I had to be strong in the sense of pursuing life even more fully for my children and for myself. I had a success on our one country. I believe in our country and will never give up loving and working for a better Philippines. I believe that the Philippines is one of the best countries in the world. It is the people who work earnestly and we see them everywhere. The laborers, the farmers, the just and fair government leaders, the teachers and priests, the trusted police, and so on. It is the laughter, the community of family and friends. You cannot get that anywhere else but right here in your country. It is the Filipino songs, games, and dances. So I challenge you, dear graduates, to stand by those who are unjustly treated, to protect children from harsh environments, like those who take advantage of them, to make known the brighter side of our culture. There is just so much we can do together. Let us not give up so easily. Do you believe that we need to give more incentives to our youth so that they can be empowered? Incentives like more involvement in the community and a reward that they have helped others. I have seen this in Girl Scouting. From 5 years old to 21 years old, Girl Scouts of the Philippines nurtures and develops girls and young women to be patriotic, God-loving, and of service to others.
Medley John M. Castillo. John Carlo P. de los Reyes. Krisha V. Flores.
Bachelor of Science in Entrepreneurship. Sheena M. Castillo, Bachelor of Science in Nursing.